Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy, and I know it's been a long time. In this channel, I mainly focus on psychology so that you can know more about yourself and others. And all I want to do is for you to understand your daily behaviors. Today, let's talk about social anxiety. If you feel like you are that type of person who would like to overthink and worry about how others perceive you and feel like you are small and invisible in social settings, and you want to be confident and charming and magnetic, then stay here because this video it won't be very long, but it will definitely solve your problem. Very easy, very simple to understand. Okay, I never overcomplicate something. Two things you need to know. So first, it's your self-concept, and second is you need to shift your mindset from receiving to giving. If you think that you don't have friends and you want friends, but you never take the first step to negotiate, to initiate any conversations, to make a plan, to invite somebody to your place, to have a party, to do something fun, and you are constantly waiting for others to do those things for you, then you are being passive in your social settings. It is not like that you don't want friends, it's like your passivity is a type of self protection. It is like you feel if I don't do the first step, then they don't have the chance to reject me. Then I don't need to force the pain of being rejected by somebody. But then self protection comes from your self image, your self concept. You have the self image first, like I am boring, I am not important, what I say means nothing, nobody cares about me. So you have that pre-assumption about yourself. You feel like you have that sort of type of self-concept first, and then you generate that illusion of being rejected by somebody else, and then in order to protect yourself from that pain, you keep yourself in a cage. Like you never do the first step first for others. But think about this way: if you shift a self concept, you feel like, oh, okay, no matter what they say, no matter what they do, no matter how they perceive me, in my mind, I do believe that I am interesting, I have value, I can contribute, I am good enough, I'm popular, I'm accepted, I am wanted. If you can truly embody these beliefs in your mind, like you totally don't need evidence from outside the world to confirm that self-image. Your self-concept belongs to you only. If you have that, you definitely won't assume that others are going to judge you or reject you, and then you can be free to give your joy, your happiness, your love to the whole world. Brings me to my second point, that is shift your mindset from receiving to giving. I know nowadays a lot of people are talking about, oh, believe that you are deserving, you deserve attention, you deserve this love, you deserve this, you deserve that, blah blah blah. But if you're always waiting for others to do some things for you, you can never feel that fulfillment inside yourself. But your worth and value comes not from how others treated you, but how you treat others, how you make them feel. Like, to be honest, everyone wants to be recognized. Everyone's ego wants that self-importance. Everyone wants to be rejected, to be respected, to be cared, to feel they matter. Everyone felt the same. Not only just you and me, okay, everyone in the whole world want to have the credit for what they did. So why not just in every moment, not thinking about how you are being perceived, but think about how can I contribute to others? What can I do? What can I say? How can I behave to add some joy in the present moment, to make others feel at ease, to make them feel good, to make them feel like they are accepted instead of always worrying, am I being accepted or not? Give them the attention instead of always worrying, oh, did you say me? Did you say me? I need the attention. Please give me attention. Give the attention out to truly be curious about others, the life. Open your mind. Then you realize, wow, the world is brighter than you thought. There are so many interesting things, amazing things, interesting people around you, and give yourself to them and be open and like them and give them love and learn from each other and listen to their stories and truly be present when you are with them, when you are with them. Like, not to not think about yourself. Don't give yourself too much importance. Like I said in the first, build a proper self concept and then to let yourself go. Like, once you know that you are high worth and high value person, you are good enough, you are cute, you are pretty, you have worth and value, you are great, you can be accepted, you have nothing to prove, you have nothing to hide or protect, then you can give yourself go. It's like you don't need the outside validation or approval. And then all you left is the love that you can give to others. Then you can be free to give and enjoy every moment because you are not attached to the outcome. The next time you want to meet new friends, tell yourself, I'm good enough. I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to protect. I can let my ego go and then shift your mindset from receiving because you know that you are enough, and then you can just give. Like, you don't need it, I don't need to get the confirmation from you to know that I'm enough. I know I'm enough so that I can give. Okay, you can give. you can you can say hi to them. You can um, plan something fun. You can invite them to come to your place for dinner. You can cook for them if you're good at it. Especially if you are not, you can do something else. Like, give out, be open. That all build on your self concept. So all in all, build your build a healthy self concept first, and then shift your mindset from receiving to giving. Those two things are going to save your life. It's going to cure yourself anxious and social anxiety. Okay, so that's today's video. And thanks for watching. I know that English is not my first language, so maybe I cannot like say something say the thing that I truly want to say in a proper way, but I can write it down. So you can click the link below that I put in the description below. There is a free PDF document for you to understand clearly about what I said in this video. It is about to shift your your passive self personality to build a meaningful, a broad social network. It all comes from within. It all comes from your mindset and how you see yourself in the whole world. It is free. You can just get it, and you're gonna enjoy it, I know. So I'm gonna see you in my next time. Say bye bye.